Hello friends, today in this video I will show you how to restore mission or delete service in Windows 10 or 11. So guys, it's very easy. So first you need to type here to search. Now type cmd. Now right click on command prompt. Click on run as administrator. Now need to type this command line. This sfc space slash scannow. Now press enter. If this processor will be 100%, so you need to type second command line. I will give you in description box, so you need just copy and paste it. So hopefully guys you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Please comment this video work for you or not.